How you doing? I'm Ricardo with Stone Ridge Landscapes, and today I'm gonna walk you through installing some low voltage lighting. We have this beautiful modern L-shaped lights from Hampton Bay, and we ran 14 gauge wire, and this is gonna go from the house, which is back there. I want to say right now we're about 50 feet away. We have to run it about 250 feet, and we have a 200 watt transformer that's gonna run about 25 to 28 lights. And this is fairly simple. We have a connector. The wires are pre-buried. Just gotta wiggle it, make sure it clicks in. Bury the wire. And that's it. Thank you.